Hey there, it's another Creative License with Bill Herman, and thanks for checking in on my little dog and pony show. As always, it's being sponsored by my wonderful sponsors, Electro Voice and Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, DJ NTV, and of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about workshops and about training and about, learning more DJ. Hi, I'm Bill, and the reason it's coming up is because I know that a lot of guys right now are getting back to work and they're looking for ways to invest in themselves, which is a great idea. Taking a class, taking a workshop, especially when I have a workshop, I'd love for you to take a workshop, right? I've got a great workshop. Mark Farrell, a great friend of mine, has a workshop. There's lots of them out there, and you should certainly consider taking a workshop. But here's the thing that you need to understand. A workshop is just that. You're workshopping. You're working something out. You're learning something about yourself and about the work that you do that tells you whether you're good or whether you're not good, or, well, mostly it points out the things that you are good at, points out the talents that you didn't think you have, and gives you a direction where you can get better. What it doesn't do is fix you, okay? People think that they're gonna take a workshop or they're going to buy a DVD, and what they're gonna do is going to fix them, right? They're going to be fixed. The idea of DJing will be better now because I took a workshop, now I can turn around and be a better DJ. Well, you have a path to get there, right? But that's not what it's there for. And there's nothing out there that'll do that for you, okay? For anything you're trying to do, whether it be for being a better singer or being a better sound dude, being thinner, right? I mean, look at all of the things that they promote on television and on radio and in newspaper and on online about do this and you'll lose weight like that. It doesn't work that way, does it? Those of you that have ever dealt with that, and those of you that are really thin, and you can just shut up. But those of you who aren't, you get that doing one thing so you can do something in moments and everything will be fixed is just a fallacy. And that's the same thing for these workshops. Now, can these workshops do something extraordinary for you? Yes. What it does is it opens up a path to be able to get what you want, to be better at what you do, to be able to be better at this or better at that, or get the thing that you say that you want. Without it, you're still going down the same path, right? Without taking the coaching from a weight loss coach, you're still going down the same path as you do all the time, right? So you're not going to necessarily get any better, and it's not going to happen anytime fast. But if you understand the direction, if a coach at a workshop can point out the things that you are already good at and can help you down a path that you now understand, you can begin to see how moving in that new path and that new point of view can help you to be better at what you're doing. You cannot take a workshop and then put up a certificate and then tell people I took a workshop so I'm really, really good at this. That's really not how it works. It is a lie that you're telling yourself. And if there are workshops and teachers out there that are telling you that, they're not telling you the truth either. You know they aren't. I know you know they aren't. You know how I know? Because of things like this. This is a lie too, right? Wait, see that? Okay, you want to go out and learn how to lose weight, or do you want to take 30 minutes and eliminate all your fat? I know what you want, but do you think it's true? Do you think it's real? Do you think it's going to work that way? It's not. And neither do the workshops. Should you take a workshop? Yes. A great coach and a great workshop person will explain to you that you're now on a path, and that path will take you to better and higher things for your performance, for your sales, for whatever you're trying to do. But don't take it and like it's a pill and hope it's going to work. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me if you've ever gone out and tried to take a weight loss pill and wonder why it didn't work. It works the same way with everything. All right. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being a part of the show. Until next time, go out and share peace, make love, create joy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.